Good afternoon everyone. My name is Hassan of Standard 4. Today I and my team are going to demonstrate water flow alarm. Water is very precious, so we need to avoid this wastage of water. I have designed this simple and useful water alarm system. Material required: battery, buzzer, wire switch, two metal prostate container.
This model is different four sensor wire in low, medium, high and full. High and full.
Let me show you the working principle of water flow alarm. In the first level of water, when the water is filled with 25%, the blue light glows. In the second level, the white light glows when the tank is complete. When the tank is filled with 50% of water. In the third level, the green light indicates